production of organic intermediates. This is how organic intermediates move from chemistry to industrial applications.